Let's talk dump trailers. Behind me is the PJ Quest Series D7 model. It is a 14,000 pound capacity, 14-foot dump trailer that's perfect for professionals that are doing site cleanup, roofing, landscaping, and all kinds of other construction projects. Let's dig into the details. Let me show you. We've got a Demco coupler here. It's an easy latch coupler, the nicest coupler I've ever used by far. We got a tarp that is included. You don't have to pay us extra for this one. And we have a gravity down feature that really works to save your battery, so you can go power up, power down, and gravity down. This trailer has 24-inch tall sides. They are made out of 10-gauge steel, and the floor is also 10-gauge steel. You'll also see we got Lippert 7,000 pound axles. Those come with a 6-year warranty. We have a spreader gate function on the gate for spreading material, and we have rear support stands when you're loading your equipment. Let me show you the door holdbacks on this trailer. These are real easy to use, so you're not gonna mess it up. And we got the slide-in ramps right over here. No extra charge, these are included. Let's raise this thing up and I'll show you the scissor hoist. This is a proven setup with a 5-inch cylinder and a heavy-duty hydraulic hoist that is rated to dump the entire payload of this trailer. You can shop online at happytrailers.com, or you can come visit one of our locations in Texas and Oklahoma, where we have parts, service, and we'd be happy to take your trade in when you're ready to upgrade. See you.